So putting down more millings. Got most of the parking area done. I don't know how well you can hear me, but I'm going to show how to correctly use a treadle pedal. All the John Deere guys are always whining about. So here's treadle pedal. Just push back, right? But when you're going backwards, it's a pain in the ass, isn't it? No, you just go like this. Hold it up with the other foot. This foot could just rest there if you want, but it doesn't have to. And you turn sideways. I'm sitting sideways, and I'm going backwards just like I want to go. So once again, that's how you correctly go in reverse. Your opposite foot, take it right, your heel right off if you want, or just rest it there. But that's how to correctly use a treadle pedal and go in reverse.